Did you witness the celestial spectacle of the total solar eclipse on April 8, 2024? An awe-inspiring event, it was visible across North America, with a path of totality crossing Mexico, the United States, and Canada. This total solar eclipse distinguished itself by being unique and even more spectacular than previous occurrences. In a rare alignment of the cosmos, the moon completely eclipsed the sun, casting an ethereal shadow across our planet. The event was anticipated with great excitement, with millions of spectators ready to capture this fleeting moment of totality. This year's eclipse was indeed a sight to behold, with a path stretching from Mexico to northeastern Canada, allowing approximately 31.5 million people the opportunity to view the eclipse from their homes. Prime viewing locations were buzzing with activity, with cities like Dallas, Cleveland, and Indianapolis transforming into hubs of astronomical observation. The peak of the eclipse, known as totality, outlasted its 2017 predecessor, providing an extended window of opportunity for both professional and amateur astronomers alike to study and enjoy the event. The total solar eclipse of 2024 was further distinguished by a surge in solar activity and numerous scientific projects planned by institutions such as NASA. Scientists eagerly conducted experiments and gathered data during the eclipse, hoping to observe phenomena like coronal mass ejections and changes in the Earth's ionosphere. NASA's team of researchers set up advanced equipment to capture high-resolution images of the eclipse, providing valuable insights into the sun's atmosphere and magnetic fields. The eclipse offered a rare opportunity for scientists to study the sun's corona and its impact on space weather, shedding light on the complex interactions between the sun and Earth's magnetosphere. In addition to scientific research, the total solar eclipse of 2024 also captivated the public, drawing crowds of spectators to prime viewing locations across the path of totality. People marveled at the celestial spectacle, experiencing moments of awe and wonder as the moon completely blocked the sun, revealing the ethereal beauty of the solar corona. Photographers and videographers captured stunning visuals of the eclipse, showcasing the breathtaking dance of light and shadow in the sky. The event inspired artists, writers, and musicians to create works that reflected the profound impact of the eclipse on human imagination and creativity, underscoring the enduring fascination with celestial phenomena. The 2024 total solar eclipse was potentially the most observed eclipse in history. NASA, along with citizen scientists, utilized various tools and technologies to capture images and data during the eclipse, making this an event that was not only observed but also studied in great detail. To sum it up, the total solar eclipse of April 8, 2024 was a celestial event of great significance. It was not only a stunning spectacle viewed by millions, but also an important scientific event that offered a wealth of data for researchers. It was a moment of unity, where people from different locations came together to witness and celebrate the wonders of the cosmos. The anticipation and excitement surrounding this event remind us of the vast and beautiful universe we are a part of, and the endless possibilities for discovery that lie ahead.